Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're able to join me here, and I'm blessed to have you here to share this exciting model with you. So this is a redo because one of my viewers pointed out to me that my video glitched out, which it did. Since fixed that, we have a new editing program, and that shouldn't be an issue anymore, hopefully. So obviously what we're sharing today is the Subaru Brat 4x4. This is an AMT matchbox kit. And I don't know what year this was produced. I've looked all over the box and all over the instruction manual. I can't find it. Can't find the copyright, can't find anything. So that's that. But anyway, I see there's a little bit of glare on the box. It's a brand new house, and we have some really bright overhead lights. They're great, but I also see there's some glare, so hopefully that's not causing an issue. So we got some pretty cool decals here. The original side decal came on the vehicle. These were really fun vehicles. They were cool to look at. I never actually got a chance to own one, but I always enjoyed seeing them on the road in the mid to late 80s. Got these stickers here are decals, but I'm not going to use this stuff. Probably end up using this though, depending on how it works with the color that I've got in mind. There's your glass package. And the person I bought it from a model show, and talked to the guy for a while. He went ahead and put this in there, which I think is cool. It really protected it. I can see that the glass is in good shape, so that's nice. The instruction manual is a little yellowed, but there's some good illustrations in it. It's basic but good. I've also looked this all over. I think I said that already though. And I can't find any type of published date anywhere. But pretty basic. Hopefully this unboxing will be helpful. The person who left the comment had told me that they want to buy and build one of these. So I hope that this inspires you to do that. These were so fun to watch ride around, and if you own one yourself, I bet it was cool. I'm excited about this kit. Okay, so one of the seats came loose. Sorry, I have some trouble seeing with the glare. You got your cab back. I think the inside portion of the tailgate is right here. Got a dash. It's got some nice detail on it. And of course, one of the seats. The other seat. The other seat's right here. Got some nice lines up and down it. Never actually got in one of these cars, so I don't know how authentic that detail is, but looks good to me. We'll work on it. We've got the chrome pack here. Got the front grille area, has the headlights molded in. Kind of, I guess, wish that wasn't the case, but that's okay. Bumper, front and rear. Got the taillights right here. Some fog lights up in here, and a shifter and some other stuff. Oh, it looks like the mirrors are right here. So that's cool. And just this parts tree is dedicated to the exhaust system. So I think these are shock absorbers, but I can't say for sure. Your outer tailgate, and this is some front and rear end, kind of like a valance. I don't know if I'm saying that right. You got a brush guard here. So we're undecided if we're going to use that yet or not. It does look cool. Probably look cool on the truck. I also separated out the tires. Some pretty nice tires here. Says they are Firestones. A good tread come along with it. See here, some of the rims came off in the box, which is fine. Outer and inner. I got a steering wheel. I remember on some of the 80s cars, I don't know if you can see these little nubs on either side. I remember on some of the 80s cars they had those. I wasn't old enough to drive then, but I kind of felt like it just kind of positioned your hands where they need to be. The other rims and inner rims there. You got the engine piece right here. You got bottom, top half. Pulleys and belts. Looks like a master cylinder. Oh, I'm shaking a little bit. I'm reaching. I think this is part of the intake. And this is probably, well, I mean, clearly that's the air filter, the air cleaner. Cylinder heads. It's a good kit. Really good detail. Very happy with this kit. I'm going to take my time with this kit. It's probably going to be a long build. We're a few months out from starting it. And I still got some ideas I'm working on for it. And I think this is going to be the first one, and being back, that I really take my time and really try to super detail out the best I can to the best of my building ability. Box says that engine's a 1600cc engine. I think I read, I've already started doing some research on these cars, on our trucks. Well, anyways, I love them, whether it's car or truck. They came with a 1.6 and a 1.8 in terms of what that translates into in cubic inches. I guess you could do the math on the 1600cc, but probably not going to do that math. Looks like the kit offers some front brake rotors, struts, probably a rack and pinion, skid plate. Really cool skid plate. You can see the detail on it from this side. Some sort of torsion bar suspension there, I assume. Just an assumption. And part of either the front or the rear end here. Let's see what else we got down here. Some of the parts came off, which is just fine. I got to clean, like this drive shaft, I got to clean it up. You can see the seam from where it was molded. Not a huge deal. It's an older kit. So I'm very excited to build this. And I want to thank the person that left me the comment. I always like getting feedback from my viewers. Rear end. All one piece. Part of the box assembly for the detail on that, you got your roll bar here, grab bars in case you get out in the woods four-wheeling, and your seats. I remember seeing these cars, or these vehicles running around, and actually seeing people sitting in these seats. It was so cool. And This it has a Subaru insignia right there on each of those. It'll probably take me hours, but I'm going to try to detail that out too. Okay, so the box is empty. It's up for a couple of parts tree pieces. What's next? Oh. I'll do the hood right now. It's got it in my hand. Good detail on the hood. I don't know if the video will pick it up, but it actually says Subaru right here on the driver's side. My brother had a Subaru probably in this year. It had same front end, but it was a wagon, and I used to love that thing. We'll go anywhere. We'll go anywhere. Well, 13 or 14-inch rims. Interior tub. Lot of room in there, or a lot of opportunity to detail out and really add a nice make this an art piece, add a nice creative touch. The interior tub also serves as part of the undercarriage. As you can see, you can see part of it through the undercarriage. Which brings us to the undercarriage. Nicely detailed out. Got the cradle up in the front there. The rear end area, it's got a gas tank. And some of the molding, probably for where like the support was, strength support, and also where the suspension went on. I love that this vehicle does not have an exhaust molded into it, doesn't have any suspension parts molded into it. I have models like that. They're fun to build, but I prefer this. And you got your body. Pretty straight. No issues that I can see. Just to give you an idea, it's not a huge vehicle. It says it's 6.5 inches long on the box. The engine bay is nicely detailed. Got your strut towers. We're probably going to add a lot more in there. This one's going to take some time. And the hood, if this is any idea on how the rest of the model is going to go together, the hood is a perfect fit. So there's that. Kind of have an idea of this being like a dark green. And if you want to get an idea for the color that I'm envisioning, Subaru's Forester that they make they're currently making, they have a color that's on the same lines as what I'm wanting to paint this car. Haven't done any research and found that these were painted green. A lot of blue, a lot of silver, yellow, white, red ones, black. But you know what? Maybe it sat in the barn and got rusted up. Somebody pulled it out and restored it and painted their favorite color, such as me. So excited to share this build with you. I'm excited to get started on it. We got a couple builds in front of it, and then we'll get going on this one. Appreciate it if you followed along to the end. I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and until we see each other again, everybody out there stay blessed.